Hi everyone, in front of me I've got UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways. The first one will simply turn off the apps which are opened in the background, and the second one will show you how to do it with the apps which does not really appear in the background in the resets. So let's start with the faster way, maybe easier way, or less complicated way. So basically we have to open the resets, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon or 3 bars icon, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the button to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. So something like that. And as you can see here, we've got the resets. So all we have to do is to go to the very left. Of course, you can close them one by one manually just by swiping them up like that, but I highly recommend to simply go to the left and tap on clear all to close all of them. Yes, of course, I missed this button, so just tap on clear all again. Let's enter, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. And as I said, the second way is to close the apps which are running in the background, however they do not show on the resets. So let's go to the settings. Here we have to go to the apps and go to see all 46 apps. So if you know that you've opened the app and for sure it is still working in the background, just find it in the list. So let's pretend it was camera in my case. Just tap on it and simply tap on force start. Tap on OK, and your device will simply close it from the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.